hope my voice is audible to everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, it's audible.
Okay. Great. Thanks for the response. Let's start. We would like to officially welcome you for the Karnataka Butterfly Festival Butterfly Crossword competition. I hope everyone is excited to be a part in this Butterfly Crossword program. We would like to welcome you. Before getting into the program, we would like to give a few instructions which we need to be following, or we can tell the rules and regulations also. Okay. Once again, and welcome. And I think we can go ahead. Kesavan, you are there?
Yes.
Can you go ahead, Kesavan?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, then. Yeah, let's see what are the instructions to be followed. Okay. Before starting, we would like to inform that we will be sharing a Google Forms. Okay. In that, we have the crossword as well as the rules and regulation and instructions to be followed is also given in the form itself. But still, I would like to explain, okay, what you have to keep in your mind. Okay, the first and foremost instruction is, because since we are using a Google form to collect the responses or the correct answers, we need to answer all the questions, okay, or all should be answered in the uppercase. Okay, it should be in the capital letter. The first and foremost important thing. Okay, then only the Google form will take it like a correct answer. Even if you're giving a right answer and it's in a lower case, it can show or it will not accept as a correct answers or correct response. Okay. And the second one is there is no space in between the words. Okay. Suppose if I'm asking, say for example, which is the largest butterfly in India? Okay, or some kind of questions we are asking. Okay, there should not be space in between the two letters. Even it might be a butterfly name or an activity of a butterfly or a behavior of a butterfly. There are no spaces in between the words. Okay. And the third one is response should be submitted within the stipulated time. Okay, that only we'll be taking it. Others you can use it. Okay, but that's not an issue. But once we publish that, within 1 hour we will be asking you to submit the right responses. And we have one more thing also. The fastest finger will be the winner with the writer the person who gives the right answers also. Okay, it doesn't mean.
Have you given the Google Forms already?
Not yet. We are going to share it. Yeah, we are not at shared. Once we have been giving the instructions, then we thought we can share the forms with everyone. Yeah. The fastest finger will be the winner. Right. These are the people, those who have joined already in the chat. You will be getting the Google Forms in the chat box. Okay. And if you get more than 3 winners, the organizer's decision will be the final. Any doubts? Sorry. Any doubts on this? If you want, I can repeat once again. Okay, all the answers should be in the uppercase.
Huh?
All the answers or the response you are giving in the Google form should be in the uppercase. There should be no space in between the words. If suppose the answer is of 2 words or more than that. And the fastest finger will be the winner. And if you get more than 3 winners, the organizer's decision will be the final. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir. Where will the Google Forms be shared?
Yeah, we are going to share it in the chat box, as well as we will share it in the WhatsApp
chat box
group also.
Okay, on WhatsApp. Fine.
Yeah. Both we will be doing it. Okay. Yeah,
Yes, all set. It's very
all
clear.
set? It's very clear. Okay then, good, fantastic. And I'll be showing you the crossword puzzles in the meantime. Yeah, tell me.
Is the stipulated time for the entire solution or for each?
Entire crossword is within 1 hour. We need to submit it. Okay. And that too will be the fastest finger. Who gives the fastest response for all the answers together will be the winner. Okay. And one more request, please don't write anything on the chat box. Don't give the answers on the chat box, or don't annotate anything on the screen while we have been sharing the crosswords. Okay, just fill the Google forms and share the responses. Is it okay? It's clear to everyone?
The faster you submit, that will be better.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, Kesavan. The faster with the correct answers. Yeah. Can I go on with the next slide? Okay. Yeah, this would be the crossword. And Kesavan, can I share the thing in the chat box, or you can share it? The Google Forms?
Yeah, you can go ahead and share it. No problem.
Okay. Kesavan, can you help me out where I can access the chat box here in this Zoom?
Just click on the chat.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I'm not able to find it. That's what I'm just looking on there.
Send it to me. I will paste it.
Okay, okay, okay. Give me 1 minute.
I haven't got the Google form.
Yeah, give us 1 minute.
We got the form, but I'm not able to
Okay,
type on it.
okay.
Where have you got the form, Padma?
It came on the screen.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, just type on.
Screen?
Yeah.
No, I don't think you should type on the screen.
No, it is not on the screen. We
Oh,
will
okay, then.
Google
Don't type.
form, you just
Okay,
wait.
fine, fine.
You just
What do we
wait.
do with
Hold
this
on.
then?
No,
Where-
this
where
is only for reference for you.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, it is only for reference, okay? Don't type on the screen, okay?
Mud puddling. A few
So,
answers.
so where is the Google form?
Don't tell, don't tell.
Hold on.
Yeah, you are
Hold
getting
on.
it. Hold
Wait.
on. Okay. Yeah, Kesavan, I shared it with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, the Google form is shared right now on the chat box.
Okay. Thanks, Kesavan. Yeah, now you can access it and you can start giving your options. Keep in mind that everything should be in caps or uppercase.
They just can't hear you. Okay.
I'm not able to enter in the crossword.
I'm saying.
You have to write it, yeah.
Yeah, you have to
Hello?
write it in the questions. Okay?
Hello, there is an email address and email ID. What is the two?
No issues. Both you can give your email ID, no issues.
Okay, now comes the Google form. Okay.
Yeah.
China.
Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Please, can you mute?
Yeah. I think you can mute everybody's mic.
Yeah.
Okay, live stage before adult.
Thanks for coming and joining in for today's crossword session. You'll be getting the results published by tomorrow. You'll be getting it announced in the FB page, as well as those who are the winners, you'll be getting it in the mail also. And apart from this, we'll be sharing it in the WhatsApp group also. It's okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, then sure. Thanks for everyone. Thanks for joining in today. Thanks, Kesavan, for coming and partnering,
Sure.
and thanks for your support.
Yeah, and one thing, just for all the
Yeah, Kesavan, you want
participants, there is a talk by Hanish KM at 7 o'clock today. So you can join and learn about butterflies on that. So the details about the talk is available on the Facebook page, events page. I'll just mark it here. 1 second. So
share.
the Facebook page address is shared on the chat box. You can go there and click on the events, and you will see today's talk details. Thank you all.
Thanks to all.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.